everyone, today I'm going to be teaching my location choreography. If you haven't yet seen what that looks like, then I've linked it at the top here. You can go and check it out. So let's get into it. Following from behind, you'll hear the lyrics, I got a bed, but I want you. And that's where we do this dip and body roll up. So I got a bed, but I want you is on 5, 6, 7, 8. So now if you're doing this bit with a partner, you can come in from either direction. So I've got a bed, but I want you, and your partner going from the other side, and you both meet here at the end. Okay. And the flow of that goes down and then over. So let's practice that together one more time. We're gonna go, I've got a bed, but I want you. So we're ending here with the finger guns coming all the way down. And from here, we're gonna jump into a diagonal running man. So coming into and 1, repeat, and 2. Okay, so 2 diagonal running man. We're then gonna come up for and. We're gonna hop to the side for 3. Most of our weight is gonna be placed in our left leg. From here, we're gonna pick up with the right and kick 4. We're going to lift and 5. We're gonna then come out for a W step 6, return and Miami step over to the right first, 7, up, 8. 1 more and 1. Okay, so let's break that down with the lyrics. We've gone, I've got a bed, but I want you. So you'll hear, send me, and that's where you hit, send me your location, and your location, and cut back in. You'll then hear, send me, send me, send me. So once we've come out of our W step, we want to hit that close, so inverted toe. From here, we're gonna do a hop and we're gonna drag the left foot in behind. From here, we're then gonna lift and continue the Miami step. Okay, if you're not 100% sure about the Miami step, if you've not practiced it that much, I've linked a Miami step tutorial up here at the top. Go and check that out. Let's continue. After we've gone, send me, send me, send me, we're here on 1. We're then gonna come up and we're going to kick back 2. So you see how I've gone from here and I've hopped back with 2. I'm gonna do another hop again and 3. Right, so let's just practice that together. From the Miami step, we're gonna hop, we're gonna hop, hop, and hop. So this step is actually pulling you back. Right, let's practice that together one more time. Back, hop, and forward. Nice. From here, we're now gonna switch, and we're gonna come over for a football kick, okay? From this position, we're gonna switch feet and do a step back. Okay, so this entire move from the end of the Miami step, 1, looks like this. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Again, the lyrics for this one are quite important. So after we've gone, send me, send me, send me, you'll come up and cut and your location. Okay, so from send me, there is a clap in the song, and then we're paying attention to the lyrics once again. Your location. And so we're here on 5. The next bit, nice and easy, we're gonna meet our feet in the middle and we're gonna hop off to the right, come back in, to the right again, back to the middle, and then we're gonna happy feet over to the opposite side again, middle, back. With happy feet, you can start to incorporate your arms. So the arm movements I've got here is send me, send me, send me. So going from chest, see pumping the chest and pushing the elbows back, bringing it up to the head, push back, close, close, okay? So again, after the football kick, we come back to the middle, off to the right first, send me, send me, send me. Okay, so let's practice all of that from the last Miami step. So we've gone 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Okay, so continuing from 1, we're then going to hop onto our left leg and tap 2, push and kick 3, come up and hit back 4 and 5 and. Okay, so this is a double jump. I want you to hop and. Okay, and this part you'll hear again, location. So it really goes with the music. Let's add in the lyrics. After we've gone, send me, send me, send me, we're gonna come up and hit and your location. From here, we're gonna heel click forward and. So that's like forward, hop, tap with the heel and bring it back up. The counts for this are, we've gone 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. All right, so let's drill this going from the Miami steps. So we've gone send me, send me, send me, and ka, your location, and send me, send me, send me, and ka, your location, kick. Nice. With counts from the Miami steps, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Okay, for this bit, make sure you end with a bent knee. So you've gone down, up, really emphasizing on lifting that knee. The next move from here looks like this. We're gonna do 3 of these back sweeps. And basically, this is like doing a really bad running man. What happens is, as you bring your foot forward and you tap down, you swing the other one back. Come up and back. So it follows the same rhythm, the same movement of the running man, except you're not landing your back foot. You're just pushing it back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. So just play with this move. Switch back, 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 back. And with my hands, I'm like doing a skipping rope movement, which helps me with the momentum of pushing back, pushing back, pushing back, pushing back, pushing back, pushing back. So if you're not comfortable with this yet, just play around with it a little bit first. So once you've got the hang of that, we've gone 6 and, we're gonna do 3. Send me, send me, send me. Okay, so that is 6 and, 7, 8 and 1. From here, we're gonna do 2 forwards, heels, running man. We're gonna go and 2, 3, back step with the left, and 4, come forward again, and 5, back step on the right, and 6. We're now gonna end with a football kick, and over 7, switch, and turn drag on 8. And that is the entire dance. So going from happy feet, after the football kick combination, we ended here on 5. So we went to and 5. We're then gonna go and 6, 7, 8, and 1. And 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, back step 4, 5, and 6, 7, and drag 8. Yes, well done. Let's do it from the top with counts. On 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay guys, well done. It's time to take it to music. So I'm gonna do it at 80% speed, 90 and 100. So pause the video here if you need, have a drink of water, practice the bits that you're not sure of, and then come back and we can practice it to all 3 speeds.
I got faith, but I won't choose.
Well done, guys, and that is location choreography. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for dancing with me here today. So once you've done it and you've recorded yourself, please make sure to tag me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, wherever you're going to be posting it. I would love to see you guys hitting this one. And before we end off here, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on free content like this that I post every week to help you guys learn and level up. So until next time, much love. Thank you for joining.